Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're going for a walk in Astoria Park with Eric. Just built the snowman. So it's snowing right now. And again, we're in Astoria Park. I'm gonna start the Nike Run Club.
Beginning workout.
It's actually the first time we're using the Osmo Pocket 2, so it's with the gimbal and everything. It should be much smoother and in 4K. So. Right now we're between the Hell's Gate Bridge and the Triborough. We're gonna try to hit a mile by walking back and forth here on the strip, which they've closed off due to COVID.
Yeah, I mean, for pedestrians and bikers, I think only.
Yeah, and emergency vehicles. Astoria Pool. There goes the city bike where you learned, Eric.
Yeah. Right here. Right on this spot.
So again, if you're new to the channel, you really need to get this promotion going. But trying to hit 1,000 subs still by the end of March. So if you haven't already, subscribe. I see the ratio, it's at 60% people watching. If you could just show additional support and hit the subscribe button, it really means a lot. As well as share the videos, leave a like and comment down below if you like this content. We're also gonna go back to working out with our workouts again. Me and Eric early in the morning. And among other things. Plus I'm getting some new camera equipment this week. Getting another gimbal for the iPhone. So it's gonna be a lot more, much better quality. Looks really nice. So smooth and steady.
Yeah.
I gotta see when I connect it on the phone.
Yeah, you'll see when you pull it up, like, to your computer or whatever. It's just a teeny tiny screen.
At least they have a screen though.
Oh,
So
yeah,
you could
it
see.
gives you an idea as to where you're actually like.
Astoria Park Playground, supposed to be completed spring 2021. How's your hands?
A little itchy. like the getting cold, and then now they're livening it back up, and getting warm again.
Oh, like that tingly feeling?
That dry winter itch, you know?
There's the ferry, New York City ferry. Oh. Who? Which one?
The little boat that's in the back.
Oh, he's hitting the waves hard. You can see
Yeah,
him.
I know. He's in a hurry, whoever that is.
It might be a person, I don't know.
Resuming workout.
Yeah, they slowed down as soon as they hit that wave. They're like, oh,
Oh, they went flying.
yeah, that hurt. I feel good.
Like I said before, that's the Hell's Gate Bridge, the red one, directly behind me. It's the RFK Bridge, or as I like to call it, the Triborough Bridge. That's its former name.
I like it more. It explains what it is. It's a bridge connecting three boroughs.
Right. Hello. Can't wait to upload this in 4K. I think it's gonna be awesome. Just see the difference. Did you see the one where I posted we walking the bridge or no? I did
I
two.
do remember it.
Yeah, I have two.
I've only seen one, I think.
Yeah, I have two on the ones we're going back and forth, but
Yeah.
it's, you know, that camera is nice, the Sony ZV-1. It's just, like, it has that walking mode. It's supposed to be like similar effect of a gimbal, like keep a steady shot, but it's not, just not the same. This, I could already see a difference, like, it's fluid. Oh, so it's Shore Boulevard. So we just walked Ditmars Boulevard. As I said, they closed it off due to the whole COVID thing going on. So walked back. How you feeling, Eric?
Good.
And my hands are numb.
Winter itch. They're
My
itchy or
fingers.
they're numb?
No, they're numb. Like,
You want to borrow these?
yeah.
Stick them up. Trade. I'll hold the gimbal for a second. Yeah, just
Pausing workout.
Whoa,
Workout.
it's hairy. Wow. Wow. Yeah, no problem.
Oh, man.
They're warm too.
Tremendous difference.
Tremendous.
Thanks.
Yeah, I would have. You're welcome. I would have worn my boots, but like I told you during the Super Bowl, my boots like gave out. They're like talking now. Fucking yeah, the fucking insole or whatever.
I remember that was like the insult of like high school. Yo, your shoes are talking. Your shoes
They
are.
really were. They really came apart, but yeah, I had those boots for so many years. buy the same pair of over again for me.
You sure your hands aren't cold, or are you gonna put them in your pocket? All right. Thanks again. My hands just.
If anything, I can put, if my hands get cold, I can just tuck them into my sleeves like this. Just walk around like handless.
Yeah. See, that's the only downside about recording, because your hand is out. I wish they make. I gotta see if they have a chest mount for this or something. A harness. I'd wear it. Especially, I want to use this if I could go running and it has a stable shot.
Like one of those things they use for like rifles.
Oh, like a sling almost.
Yeah. Press it up against your chest.
'Cause I have it for the GoPro. I can't imagine them not making the same. Or at least if I could have a bottom piece that connects to this, that has the GoPro bottom, then I could just hook it up like that.
Something that's small I couldn't imagine, but for like your Sony, I think that would make sense.
Yeah. Especially the what's the other one called? Well, like, no, the waterproof housing. That'd be dope if you could like put it on this or that camera. But I don't know. Like the only ones I really see like waterproof, I wouldn't even trust it. So those DSLR cameras. But those cameras, that's an investment. Like that camera alone is like, those good ones could be like $10,000. So to trust a case and it doesn't hold up,
Yeah.
there goes your, you know.
Nah, you gotta buy OEM for that. If it's from Sony, that's not water resistant like it says. Then at least you have some accountability. You keep your receipts. And it's like, hey, I was filming in the rain, the thing on, and my fucking camera is water damaged. Look.
But you know what I would trust? B&H.
Yeah.
If they have their own product, I would trust them too. I mean, I wouldn't like, that would be my first choice. I would go OEM too, but
Yeah.
oh, look at those guys just sliding all the way down.
Yeah, these are kids.
No, that's a grown man. You know?
Oh, the guy running after the.
Yeah.
I thought it was a kid sledding and a guy running after.
I thought it was looks like an adult.
Yeah.
They're probably getting drunk and just.
That actually sounds like a great idea.
It sounds great till you get hurt.
I mean, but you can say you got hurt having a
Look,
good ass.
look at these little snowballs. They can't compete with us. Yeah, look, they rolled it only up to there.
No, but they have some skin in the game. I give them respect.
We're the reigning
They're not big-
champs.
Yeah, they're not big ballers like you. Literally big balls.
Well, you helped me with that, so.
Towards the end, I did. Well, that's like 90% yours.
Still.
I would even attribute it to 100%. There's no way if we came here and we weren't here, that's how I was with Ricky. I would never have done that.
It's really hard.
That's like I've never heard that idea before.
To be honest, I wonder how far we would got if we had 3 people.
Jesus. Yeah.
We probably got even further. Because it's really, it's solid weight at the end of the day. You know, it's ice and you saw how heavy it was.
It was soft snow. It turns into ice just because it folds over and stuff.
Plus it's also picking up a layer of ice underneath.
Yeah. I think it's, I mean, that thing it picks up, the reason it picks it up, I think, is because it's soft snow. But then when it gets rolled over, it turns into ice because it's just so much weight over and over,
I really love how this city looks when it's like this. I just want to record everything, all my exercises now. My walking, if I could put this on my bicycle and have a mount. So I really like this gimbal. So far it looks amazing quality. And if I could start uploading 4K, then there's better content for the channel. Someone's got to appreciate it, like, at least I'll appreciate it. You're supposed to say, yeah, bro, you're a subscriber too. See yourself in 4K. No, I'm just playing. But it shoots 60 frames 4K, which that's really good. Because I think the ZV-1 only shoots 30. Which, that's still good, but And it has super slow-mo. I haven't tried it. And hyperlapse. I think if I turn it on, it'll do like a...
What does that even mean, hyperlapse?
It almost looks like a time lapse while you're walking. So it does that added effect. I think that's what it is. I gotta do more research.
What do you mean? So it'll like, if you're recording like straight ahead and you walk all the way from there to here, it'll just go like...
Yeah. It almost looks like you're like warping through. Kind of like a time lapse, but a moving one.
Or like that shot of the highway where you see the cars like aiming by.
Yeah.
Like the sun is setting or rising.
You could do that. And then you can also do a super panel. I think it takes like 9 different photos. It'll take like up, up, middle, 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 and then bottom, 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 and stitch it together.
That's cool.
I really like DJI. Sponsor me, DJI. No. Now they have really good products though. I like DJI. I have well, I broke it, the Phantom 4. But yeah. And then mine doesn't work anymore, the Phantom 3. I don't know what happened to it. It just like, I don't know, it won't resync. Plus it takes time to do all that. You gotta like update it. Can you pull this up for me? No. Down towards.
Oh, down.
Yeah. My pinky.
Oh shit. I'm gonna take it off.
No, that's alright. You can do it then. Nice.
That's good.
Thank you. You know what I like about these too? They have the zippers.
I don't know what that's for. Is it to store something?
Resuming.
It's probably,
No, that's not what I was thinking. No.
so people store their flasks of whiskey and
No,
you
that's
know,
what I mean, like
and other recreational.
I was thinking like a bag or something. But what is that for though? You know?
I don't know.
Honestly, it sounds stupid, but if like it just looks like it's well, you could put a cloth in there maybe, like a tiny cloth to clean your garbage.
Oh, that's what it probably is.
Snowboarding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's what my Steep Tech has. It used to have it here,
Yeah.
and it's meant to clean your goggles. So.
Because while it's snowing like this, like if you look at my glasses, it's like covered in water. Heat rises. When you breathe out, it goes upward and it melts the snow.
Condensation. You're crazy.
In the distance, he's a little guy. But
Yo,
he's
even
a
she
big
was amazed. She's like, someone hand-packed this? It's like, hell yeah. Started all the way up there. Came all the way down here. I told you, look.
They grew up so fast.
It feels awesome. Like no one even knows we did that. Like
There's no way, but I mean, we have the footage to prove.
you know what's funny? Because it's randomly here.
Yeah, it is just kind of there, you know.
You know what's the battery life of this? Like 2 hours. This little thing. Odd 4K.
What if you do, like, what is it, 1080?
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, I'm pretty sure. Wait, I think it was the spec. That was the spec for 4K was 2 hours.
But is it
One.
longer to do 1080p
Or was it 2.5 or 180 minutes? I think. I think it was something like that, or maybe it was 1080. I could have sworn it was 4K though. But it has to be less if you're shooting 1080. You know, you're using less
maybe?
power.
I would think so.
Everyone's taking photos. That's funny, man. Should have left like a little YouTube business card on it or something. Harry Hale Snow. Watch the process from start to finish. No, build an igloo next, a mansion. I kid.
I'm gonna laugh at the first person who tries to get destroy it. That's gonna hurt so much.
What?
No, they're gonna think it's like soft snow. And they're gonna like kick it or something. Oh my god. It's like kicking an icicle.
They're gonna try to troll. My car's probably buried in snow.
No.
At least an inch.
Oh shit.
I tell you, I want to go sledding now. Like I haven't gone sledding in years.
I've
Like,
never gone sledding. Period.
let's go get some. That or trash can lids. I'm telling you, it works.
Really?
We used to do it, yeah. I mean, we wouldn't take it from like a dirty one. Like we would have like one in around the house. Like, yeah, it works. Woo. Shit. So we made it to. Is this Astoria Boulevard? Huh? Distance?
Yeah.
Astoria Park South. I think we're almost a mile now.
Yeah.
I think it's. Where is it? 9.93. She's in Florida. That's why, yeah.
I was wondering if she had the dog. Suck it.
I know, I miss Cooper.
There's no squirrels to chase. But it's like a dog in the snow. It's just.
So now we're walking back up to the track. This is where me and Eric have worked out. And it is completely dead.
Yeah, it's not really safe to run, I don't think. It's slick. It's very slick.
So like I said, I'm trying something new. If you guys like it, leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. Right now we're just continually walking around the park, and then we're gonna head out of here. Also, new camera gear, quality. Let me know what you think. Perhaps where I should walk next, or anything else I should video log about.
Time 24 minutes 6 seconds.
We just hit a mile.
Distance 1 mile. Average pace 24.06 per mile.
They kind of suffer in the summer. They got like tiny nostrils and shit. It's like when your sinuses are clogged and then you can breathe for We'll walk by there. I want to use that.
All right, the restroom. Hopefully it's open.
If not,
Cause the woman's room I think is closed.
If not, we can make a YouTube tutorial on how to make like snow cones.
You didn't see where that dog was using it? It was all yellow. All the other dogs were pissing there. It's hilarious.
Are you tired of paying those high prices at the Corona Ice King? Not anymore. Make it yourself. Dairy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO. And you can add the amount of sugar you want.
All right, guys, we're gonna leave it off at there. If you enjoyed, it's about a little over a mile. Let's see what we're at.
I'll definitely get about
1.06. So,
time we get the car.
like I said, it adds up. Just walking these distances. You know, just
Pausing
that.
workout.
Just
Resuming workout.
I don't know,
Pausing workout.
142 calories.
Workout completed.
Less than
Time,
half hour. If you
25
can't run, you know you can always walk.
47 seconds.
No
Distance,
excuses.
1.06 miles. Average pace 24.09
All right.
per mile.
See you in the next one. Peace.